Oh. Jamie. Jesus Christ. Oh, watch eye tackle. Yeah, he's got a...
Is he Scottish? He's pretty fiery.
Yeah, he is. Did you notice? Oh, shit.
Get.
No, knock on, no.
That's like 10 minutes after it happened.
Knock on my can.
Oh, yeah.
What's Stuck up to? He's in Fort Collins, I heard? That's what somebody said, I don't know.
No, he's with his mother.
Oh,
Summertime.
gotcha.
Oh, no. She said since there's only like something. Well, no, but she didn't say she, yeah.
See, you could take it blind. Yeah.
Like if she had, she said since they only ate about
Yeah.
time at the two base. Yeah, basically.
No.
Oh,
Take it too long.
I don't give a shit about that social.
oh. Unlucky.
Don't get a hit right on the ball.
Mm-hmm. Hit my lip.
So, yeah, it's going to be real exciting. And they literally things that be happening every time. Well, we're only putting one in anyway, so that one's going to count. And we don't know. No, I don't think we should. I've got 2 pumps for myself, but I just put out my medical. Andy was not. All the way over there.
Take it! Take him!
I'm not dumb.
Yeah.
She said, I did think about it yesterday. I stopped doing that. Do you have a mouthful? No, I don't use it. Okay. Not this past year. Thank you. Yeah.
Hey. Go, go, go! Dive on it! Go support him, Jamie. Get in there.
Good boy, good boy. Yeah, I guess you can't catch it. Let's go! Can't catch us napping.
Yeah, you're all right.
Game film. I'm trying to get better.
Exactly.
It's probably, I don't know what part of it's called.
Let's go, bro.
Yes.
I don't think so either.
I didn't think that these were so apparently. Like speeding tickets? No, parking tickets. Oh, I thought the parking tickets were better. Oh boy. You gotta try. That's what I definitely
I literally paid for parking, but I actually alphabetized my license plate instead of putting it in the order when it comes. So
You would think they would have been like, oh, this is too low.
I'm not sure if I'm fully committed to doing it.
yeah,
There's eight.
not a good eight now.
I'll be 8 person.
Remember Fred?
Did he get hurt again?
He's tearing him up.
Oh no. Well, he had the broken hand.
When I saw Zach,
Zach cut his hands up today. No, Fred broke his hand right beginning of the season, 7th season.
You did?
the players.
Oh, Ames? This is a great day. We're just Hi, whoops. Got the kids on. I did. We'll see. Okay. What? No, this is fucking send it.
Stretch out them like
Come on, Drew, go. Go, Drew. Support him.
Just follow.
Whoa. Shit. I was filming nothing. I missed that pass. Sorry, Drew, I missed your pass, mate. Too busy watching instead of filming.
Like my text. Although when I said hello, I was like, where are you? I said it out loud. I was like, where are you? Smiley face.